Markets, they say, managed to climb the wall of worry, and today they surely did and exemplified that. Just look at the kind of chatter or the data points that we actually woke up to. You had US actually halting the stimulus plan. Trump said that he's going to do it only after he wins the presidential elections, which is only next month. And you had the US equity market handover, which was weak. They were down almost about over 1% across the board. That's the S&P 500, the tech-heavy NASDAQ, as well as the Dow Jones Futures Index as well. So that is the kind of weak handover that we had from the US Qs. The SGX Nifty, though, to be fair, was indicating only a very quiet start for us. After conquering 11,600 yesterday, we were wondering whether today's global handover is going to really challenge the texture of the market or not. But bulls came in with a resounding victory. We started off tempered, just about mildly in the green, circled around 11,700, and then came the news specific movers, and they actually led the Nifty all the way around that 11,750 plus level on closing bell. So it's been a very good session of trade. Sectorally, while you'll have to say it was a bit of a mixed texture, you can't really draw out a single trend. But having said that, real estate, media, as well as metals, they were down about almost over 1% in trade. Now let's come to the movers in trade, which was really hogging the limelight today was Bajaj Finance. That took quite a bit of sharp knock, one has to say, on account of the Q2 update coming in, much as against what the street was anticipating. This was a little bit of a weak commentary set out by the largest NBFC. So Bajaj Finance took a knock of about 4.25%. But what comforted the market, on the other hand, was another check coming in for Reliance Retail Ventures Limited from ADIA this time around. The announcement came in only late last evening, and that's something that the market reacted to today. So you got a good leg up of about 2% coming in for Reliance Industries. That in itself did comfort or cushion the Nifty quite a fair bit. Besides that, what really came to the fore today was some of the diagnostic plays. Thyrocare, for instance, that's managed to surge about 37% in just the last two trading sessions alone. Now, we've been interacting with Thyrocare on a regular basis, and they've time and again noted that what diabetes was for diagnostics companies in the last 2 decades, COVID could be that in the next decade, and that's the kind of opportunity that they foresee from COVID. So a big boost coming in, the kind of commentary that you've heard from diagnostic companies, be it Dr. Lal or for that matter Thyrocare, has been very, very strong. So the street clearly rewarded those handsomely. What did not hold out well today, and what was the big concern in the market, was around the delisting of Vedanta. Now, many believe that the delisting attempt by the promoter is not really going to go through. The discovered price, they believe, is going to be about 4 to 5 times that of the indicative price. And sure enough, the stock took quite a bit of beating. That was down about almost 9% in trade. Besides that, a whole host of other movers as well. Very strong commentary coming in ahead of the festive season. The Q2 update from Titan, that sprung up quite a fair bit in action today. In fact, it was the top volume buzzer within the F&O universe. That stock managed a gain of about 4.5%. Ambuja Cement was quite a mover, about a 4% uptick coming in there as well. And then the two-wheeler space as well was back in the move. Both Bajaj Auto as well as Hero MotoCorp held out very smartly, and Tata Power as well was a surprise winner today, held out by about 3%. On the flip side, besides Bajaj Finance as well as Vedanta, the breadth of the market was off. That managed to favor the declines today. But in L&T Finance and ADIA, these were some of the other laggards as well. But clearly, what today's trading texture tells you is that the momentum is pretty much intact and well in the hands of bulls. Today is going to be another important day. You'll have TCS reports its numbers, and that's something that the street is going to be reacting to first thing tomorrow morning. Top on everyone's mind is the buyback price, and whether all the good is already baked in TCS as it continues to enjoy the 10 lakh crore rupee market cap club. So yes, all eyes on IT now. After TCS, it's going to be Wipro, then Infosys. So tomorrow is going to be another critical day of trade for us.